Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Evan.
How old are you, Evan?
4.
And Evan is going to be playing page 4 in the Music Field of Mozarts Level 1 Recital book. So we're going to read the story on page 4. Ready?
Okay.
Beethoven Bear and Mozart Mouse were so excited about finding the magical music book that they could barely close their eyes that night to go to sleep. "Oh, I do hope that the book is still there tomorrow," whispered Beethoven Bear to his friend as they lay snugly tucked into their beds. "Me too," agreed Mozart Mouse. "Let's go to the music room right after breakfast." "That's a great idea," said Beethoven Bear as he tried not to yawn. "Learning about music and the piano is really fun, isn't it?" he asked sleepily. "Yes, indeed, my friend," murmured Mozart Mouse slowly. He was beginning to feel very sleepy too. "Yes, indeed." But Beethoven Bear didn't hear his friend. Look at the picture. What happened to Beethoven Bear?
He fell asleep.
He was already sound asleep, dreaming about the wonderful book they had discovered that day. Now, would you play the song, our new book that goes along with the story? We need
New book.
Rest.
Magical
Rest.
music book.
Rest. Stop! You did it! Hooray! Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up? Yeah, 5 stars for you.